Reiki in Florida with a Reiki Heart. Joellen Brennan, a Reiki master teacher, offering classes for all levels of Reiki in Central Florida.
Okay, I'm Linda Knight. I'm a Reiki 2 practitioner. And a few years ago, I was asked to go to my first Reiki attunement. And I had no interest in Reiki. I didn't know what Reiki was. I just wanted a weekend off in a really pretty place, in a calm place, in a spiritual place. And so I decided to say yes. And I showed up for Reiki. So I like to say now that I didn't find Reiki, but Reiki found me. Because that weekend, after I listened to how Reiki is a gentle healing process, and it's passed down through a tradition of healers, and I was already very much inclined to that way of thinking, of natural healing, integrative healing. And Reiki began to appeal to me more and more. But as I went through the first Reiki 1 and 2 attunement, something changed for me that weekend. And I had some experiences that I still treasure to this day. So I was invited by the practitioners who shared their attunement with me to come back home and to practice every night and to do some self-healing and to really learn about what Reiki is and could be for me. And I also practiced on my dog, which is really kind of a fun thing to do for me because my dog is just a little bit crazy, and Reiki is such a wonderful healing and affirming way that I can help my dog, Toby. I continued to be attracted to Reiki, and the universe started opening up opportunities for me. I was invited to join a Reiki circle that had been meeting for several years. And just listening to the women in the circle where we got together and we took turns healing one another in a very calm setting, usually music with, and we would receive the treatment on massage tables, or it could be in a chair. And the Reiki is designed to heal and go where it's needed most. And a couple of years later, I was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. And of course, I continued to go to my Reiki circle and practice continued Reiki healing in my journey of recovery. And today I'm cancer-free. And I am open to all forms of healing, and Reiki continues to help me in my life. It lifts me up. I use it when I have emotional upsets. I use it to, again, heal other people. Wherever Reiki takes me, I'm there. So many times people don't know that Reiki exists or even what I'm doing, but I've used it with family members, friends, and people that have come to me now who know I am a Reiki practitioner. So Reiki is my life, and I love it, and I'll continue to grow.
For Reiki in Florida, a Reiki Heart is the premier training center located in Central Florida in the Melbourne area, convenient to Orlando and just a few hours drive from Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, or Jacksonville. Joellen Brennan is a Reiki master teacher and has helped hundreds of students share in the practice of Reiki. Classes are offered for all levels, Level 1 Reiki to Advanced Reiki techniques. New classes are starting soon. Please visit our website to register today, www.areikiheart.com. Visit us online to see when the new classes are starting and how you can get registered to join one of these exciting classes.